Time reimagined in orbit. Meet the Vanguart Orb Flying Tourbillon, a creation that pushes the boundaries of independent watchmaking into an entirely new dimension. Founded by Thierry Fisher, Jeremy Frelichaks, Axel Leuenberger, and Mehmet Koraturk, Vanguart is a young brand with deep roots in hot horology. Two of its founders cut their teeth at Audemars Piguet, and their combined expertise shows in every detail of this futuristic masterpiece. The Orb follows in the footsteps of Vanguard's debut, the Black Hole Tourbillon, but takes a more refined and wearable direction. It's still daring, still unapologetically avant-garde, but with a smoother, more organic touch. Its rounded pebble-like case, crafted from lightweight titanium, flows seamlessly into an integrated rubber strap. At 41 millimeters, it wears smaller than it looks, sitting comfortably on the wrist like a sculpture in motion. Inside, an in-house flying tourbillon beats at the heart of an architectural skeletonized movement. The magic happens along the edge, a peripheral winding rotor, visible only by the tiny diamond that orbits the watch as you move your wrist. A press of the crown switches between modes, manual winding, automatic, or time setting, with indicators visible through three circular windows atop the barrel. The movement itself is a 31.2 millimeter titanium caliber, finished with microblasting, polished bevels, and satin brushing, a true testament to modern craftsmanship. It offers a 60-hour power reserve, and through the exhibition back, its symmetry is simply mesmerizing. Paired with a quick-release, rubber strap system and a titanium buckle, the Orb is both futuristic and functional. Available in titanium or rose gold, prices start at CHF 150,000 francs. A fitting sum for a watch that makes time itself feel like it's levitating. The Vanguart Orb Flying Tourbillon. Time in motion, elegance in orbit.